Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how I do parallax scrolling. Okay, now there's a word you don't use every day. Alright, so here I have set up the Sonic scene. Right, you have the foreground, the water, right, all these images here. Right, and I'm trying to create the scrolling effect. Right, so here it's like without it. Right, it's kind of boring. And this effect, the parallax effect, creates like in a 2D games, it makes it look like alive. Gives it some space, some depth. So here it looks pretty boring. Now, if you activate the script here, okay, now you're gonna have the effect working. Right now, it's so much better. Right, it feels like the world is alive. And yeah, so I'm gonna make the sprites available for download. Also, the script is very simple. I can actually show you right now. Just very simple. And you can use it for if you're doing video animations, for if you're gonna post something on YouTube, or if you're gonna have a game too, right? For your game or for whatever. Right, thank you guys.